I'll turn on any CS2 workshop in GeForceNow. In this video, I'll show you how to run any CS2 workshop maps in GeForceNow. So to get started, first, make sure your GeForceNow account is active and that CS2 is installed in your library. Launch the game through the GeForceNow app. Once in CS2, open the workshop browser and subscribe to the map you want to play. If the map doesn't automatically show up, you might need to restart the game. Once the game is relaunched, go to the Play section and select Workshop Maps. The newly subscribed map should be available to load and play. GeForceNow handles the streaming, so you'll have access to high-end performance regardless of your PC's hardware limitations. If you're encountering issues with loading workshop maps, check your GeForceNow settings and ensure you've connected to a server that has low latency for the best experience. And that's how you can run any CS2 workshop maps in GeForceNow.
To understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more, Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.